I am action.
This is my Amazon haul. You know how I get into stuff
Yeah.
and just get really into it and
Yeah.
buy everything.
Yeah.
So I'm in this fencing right now.
Yeah.
So I got myself a fencing t-shirt. What does it say?
While you were busy foraging, I studied the blade.
That's way bigger than I thought.
I
I
like
thought
it.
it was going to be like this big.
I like it.
But that's pretty cool.
I love it.
Dude, that's awesome.
I need to take a picture of that. Wait, hold on, with your camera, and then I'll take one of my own. Oh, wait, let's get you like this.
Well, you can't do it while you're filming.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll do it like this then. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
All right. And then I got something serious.
So serious.
See that?
Boo boo.
Yeah. They have these really old gloves, and plus I'm a lefty, and obviously, and then and they don't have a lot of lefty gloves or any lefty. They just don't have a lot of lefty equipment. So we got these. So let's find out. This is a large, I believe. My hand is 8.5. Yours is an 8, and you measure around here.
Yeah.
It's 8.5 inches. So let's see if this is gonna work. It's a little tight, but I kind of want it a little tight. Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Feels good. There's not a lot of excess in the fingertips.
And then this is Velcro, so you can.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Plus, you have to learn how to. Don't you have to hold it lightly?
Yeah, I've been holding it like a hemo blade. You know,
Yeah.
but you're supposed to hold it like.
Yeah.
With these two fingers, maybe this third finger.
Yeah.
And these two fingers wouldn't even do anything, but that's.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, it's a pistol grip, so I'm holding it like a pistol. And
Yeah.
twisting it. But yeah, you're right. I'm not doing it right yet, but I will.
Yeah.
But I'm used to like.
Well, I don't know if you're doing it right or wrong. It's no judgment. I was
Feels
just
good though.
worried about your skin. Good.
Yeah. So this was 30.
Mm-hmm.
This was like 18 or 20 or something like that.
It's very cool.
I like them both.
Nice.
Yay, gifts for me.
Beautiful. I love it. Let's take a picture. Hold that glove up again.
I'll hold it up.
That's beautiful. Okay. Good. All right.
I like